What's going on, everybody? Today I got the FANOVAE Pickleball paddle and we're going to take a look at this. Open it up. This can be the first look for me. Let's start with these. So it looks like we get two different grip options here. Sweat grips, just in case you sweat through yours or you want to change them out. We got gray. This is going to be a light gray and a black. That's really nice that companies are doing that, and I always appreciate this. We're also going to get a cleaning eraser, which is really nice. So this is going to be like a grip cleaner. If your paddle gets a little bit dirty, you can kind of just wipe this on your paddle and it's going to erase any dirt or grime that's on there. This is really cool. This is something that companies are definitely not doing. I will give you a tiny background on this. I am a skateboarder with grip tape on a skateboard. They actually sell stuff like this. It's called grip gum. It's like a rubber material you rub on and it does take off dirt really well. So I already know that this is going to work without even trying it. Okay, so as we take a look here at the FANOVAE, we have a very, very nice bag. And guys, I'm not even just joking when I say this. This is probably the nicest bag that I've seen, or the nice carrying case that I've seen a brand do yet. So we got the brand name FANOVAE all the way around. It's gonna be a sport material, padded all the way throughout. We have a really nice handle, and this does just look different from normal pickleball handles that I've been seeing. And if you look on the back, guess what, guys? You actually have a pouch, which is really nice. You get a nice card in here from the brand, and it's just something a little bit special. You can put your phone in here, your keys, and it'll just give you an extra pocket to store things. A lot of companies are not doing that, and that's kind of what's separating this from me already. Let's open this up. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. This does have the matte finish on here, and it does have the carbon fiber. This is going to be the T700 carbon fiber going all the way throughout, which is going to be a nice matte surface. It's going to help with control, stability, and spin on the ball. We do have a 16mm width on here, and it's going to have a honeycomb core, which is going to help reduce a ton of vibration and give you extra power when you hit the ball. Now let's get this off so I can feel the handle. So guys, just going back to this, if you do get scuffs on here or dirt or anything, you're just gonna take this, open it up, and just rub it on, and it's gonna come off. You might have to dust it a little bit, but that'll clean that up. So guys, I got this paddle in my hand now, and this feels amazing. I love the way that the leather feels on my hand, and this is a nice perforated finish. It's gonna be a black color match. These come in a bunch of different colors here, so this is gonna be the yellow embossed all the way around, and we do have the Power Max on here, showing you it's a 16mm. I do love that they have that, because if you're somebody like me that likes to bounce around from different sizes of pickleball paddles, you can go back to your car or just grab your paddle and you know exactly which size you're gonna be playing with. Guys, I don't want to forget here, gotta point this out. This is very important here. We got the USA PA stamp on here. This is gonna be USA Pickleball Approved Paddle. It's gonna fall into a bunch of prestigious categories like weight, height, shape, everything, so that you know you're actually playing with a professional level pickleball paddle every single time. And you know what, guys? This is a very affordable price. Across from what I've seen with all the technology that's in here, comparable to most pickleball paddles that I've been reviewing lately, because I've been reviewing a ton of them, this actually has the most bang for your buck that I've seen yet. From the case to the grips to the cleaner, the material, the shape, it just literally, it's kind of blowing my mind. I think this one is going to be the one that people are going to want to go after, because you know what? You could be spending a certain amount of money and getting lesser of a quality, or you can spend the money and get something like this and it's really going to outperform all the competitors. So I love to look at the bottom to see if they have the logo. This company does have their logo, and I love that little touch. It just shows that they care, and they're willing to spend, you know, that extra dollar to make you smile and just show that this is a real professional looking paddle. We have a 5.5 inch going all the way up and down here, so it's going to be a nice length. If you want to choke up on it a little bit and get that backhanded swing, you can actually fit two hands on here really nicely with that handle. And we're also going to have a 4.25 inch circumference going all the way throughout. So all in all, guys, I'm really impressed with this paddle. Go and check it out for yourself. I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.